Margo's 30 years of experience have shown that in addition to product quality and price, delivery time plays a crucial role. Over this period, we have come to understand just how many machines and technical solutions are available on the Polish market. At the same time, it is extremely difficult to predict which specific belt will be needed by our customers at any given moment. Over the years, we have continuously expanded our warehouse to include a wider range of products. In response to the growing expectations of our clients, we began searching for a solution that would effectively minimize delivery times. In 2009, we successfully completed the expansion of our machine park, which enabled us to acquire a belt cutting machine capable of processing belts from so-called sleeves. Many of these flat or toothed belts are used across various machines, with the primary difference being their width. Thanks to the ability to cut with an accuracy of up to 0.1 millimeters, we are now able to perform precise sleeve cuts. As a result, we significantly reduce delivery lead times, minimize downtime for our customers, which, as we know, is an extremely costly factor, and improve overall efficiency. The introduction of the belt cutting machine allowed us to effectively address the challenge of delivery time, acquire new satisfied clients, and optimize warehouse space. Years of experience have also helped us identify the most commonly used belt widths among our customers, which has led us to pre-cut and stock these belts, making them readily available in our warehouse.